Thinking about selling your home and want to maximize your profit with minimal stress? Let's explore how a realtor can transform the daunting task of selling your home into a smooth, rewarding experience. First, realtors bring expertise in pricing strategies. They'll analyze comparable sales in your area to determine the optimal listing price that attracts buyers while maximizing your return. This isn't just guesswork, it's data-driven. Next up, marketing. Realtors have a comprehensive marketing plan to showcase your home's best features: professional photography, virtual tour, targeted online advertising, and open houses are just a few tools they use to get your property seen by the right buyers. Negotiation is where a realtor's skill truly shines. They'll represent your best interests, navigating offers, counteroffers, and contingencies to secure the most favorable terms for you. Finally, realtors handle all the complex transaction management, from contracts and disclosures to inspections and appraisals, ensuring a seamless closing process and protecting you from potential legal pitfalls. So, ditch the stress and maximize your profit. A realtor is your expert guide to a successful home sale. Subscribe for more real estate insights.